Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is KIDAAX Clean, aka Superstar Tramboy. If you are new here, kindly hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Let's get into this video. So in today's video, we're talking about Future.fm and I'll be showing you how to create an account on Future.fm. But before we start, let's quickly have a quick overview on what Future.fm is. It's a website used mainly by artists, producers, music makers in general, publishers, record labels, and so on in promoting a music career. As you can see, I'm here on the website Future.fm. I'll drop the link to this website in the description, so you can all sign up on that, and I will show you how to do that here in this video. Please stick to this video till the end. So what are the things you can do on this video? As you can see, there are a lot of things you can do, from creating an artist bio links to pre-save links, release links, contest and unlock pages, tour and event links. So generally you can create all these short links you need as an artist and so on. So when you release a new music, you need a landing page for all your social media and so on. You can actually do that on Future.fm. You can also shorten links and so on. Basically links, you can do them on Future.fm. Then what other things can we do? Fan base management, know your fans, contact them directly. Yeah, fan base management. And what's other thing? Future.fm. As you are seeing a lot of reviews on air, a lot of artists that have used them, and I think it's a cool website all artists should sign up to. I'm also using this, but I have to show you how to sign up for a different account. What is most interesting about this is you can promote your music on AudioMark. I mean, you can run a campaign on AudioMark, something just like this on your screen. You can promote your music on AudioMark using paid ads and SoundCloud and any other websites. That's just the cool part of this website. Now let's get into the main business. So by signing up, you click on start now. Then if you are an artist, you can click on an artist. You represent an artist, like you are the publisher, you are the manager, record label and so on. But right away, most of us watching this, we are artists. So I'm an artist. Input my name, your email, and password you would like to use. Okay, we're good to go. And click on sign up. So we are done with that. Yeah, search artist by name or enter Spotify search this artist. So let me search by name, KIDAAX. Yo, I popped up. Select. I'm changing my location. I'm in Nigeria. Well, yo, currency USD. If you have a website, input it and all your social media handles, input them, and you're good to go. How are you doing that? It will take so much time. I'll come back to that later. Then you save and get started. You can actually get a pro account. You can see basic $7 per month, $17 per month. It's like that. So many plans. You can just choose anyone you want to choose. But right now I'm going to my dashboard, and as you can see, created the account. You actually don't need to sign up as a pro artist. These are free accounts, and I'm good to go. Then that's just how to create a Studios FM account. If you find this video helpful, leave a comment in the comment section, like this video, and give me subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. It will really help us in this channel to make these videos get to other people. Share to other artists too. Don't be on this journey alone. Share to other artists friends, and I will be doing more videos on FM, how you can use all the features, how you can create ad campaigns, smart links, and so on. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos. Peace out.